Where's my cam heading? That's not me, that was my wall. Right. Yep. Good evening. Welcome to another stream of Elle's Heart.Break. Yes, the game we've been playing yesterday for more than 4 hours. I really love it. I have a lot of criticism about the game, but at the same time I love it. I love the simplicity, the retro style, the whole art style, the attention to detail, the concept of the game. I all appreciate that very much. On the negative side, there is no log, there are no goals that are clearly mentioned somewhere. There's no history of any conversations you had or people you met. So you tend to lose your way around the city, you forget who you met. People say, hey, I met you, and you don't remember who they were. And the game doesn't help you at all in that sense. So in a way, I was already considering maybe restarting the game altogether and actually taking notes while I played through it. On the other hand, of course, I do have this light hacking device now, so I might as well experiment with that further. Because I'm not less concerned about the story and more about all the game mechanics. Right, let's load up our game from yesterday. Receptionist apartment, day 13 already? Oh wow. Dream Forest. Wow, that's the area where I don't know what to do. And I think it was where we also ended up when we used the slurp command. Right, let's see where we were. We were in the apartment. After the stream yesterday, I noticed that what I was trying to do didn't actually work. I was trying to use an object from a distance and call remote function on another object somewhere far away. But the function I was trying to call didn't exist on the object far away, so it couldn't have possibly worked. And I realized that later when I was looking at the screenshot I made of the object previously. So we have our beer. Yeah, that was the function call get room, but there is no get room function. I believe there was a get connections, but then again, I'm still not sure. Okay, that doesn't compile. Can't find function with name get connections. Wait, and get room didn't give that error? So it does have a function get room, right? Unless this is not the remote object. That was my issue, eh? Let's just see if we say get connections, if we get a different connections. Yeah, so I'm still confused how the remote function call works. Let's remove this string room. No, string room's fine. This append connections temp doesn't make any sense. Do we have a get connections here? We can't. Okay. Get user, get indexes. But then we need to specify an array. And which array could we possibly specify? Oh, we still have an array connections. No, we don't need that one. Yeah, of course. Get indexes, but we don't know where we need to get the indexes. Okay, so this is definitely not gonna work. So let's try something different. And it would be easier if we are near the object that we are trying to connect to. Oh, look at the smoke from our beer. Let me just remove this whole thing here. Or maybe let's just do it how it's properly done by actual programmers. Let's just make this a comment. So this code will no longer compile. Oh yeah, we don't have room anymore, so that's not gonna work either. String room is get room. And then we say connected room, no, current room is room. Compile, that works. Okay. Drink. Renting apartments lobby. So that works. Every time we drink from the beer will tell us which room we're in. That's useful. What else did we have? Let's check if we have other useful commands to add. As index charisma, yeah. So charisma 10, smelliness 10, sleepiness. Should that be minus 10 then? I think so. And smelliness of minus 10 as well, of course. Like this. And what else did we have? Drunkenness. Minus 10. Right. And we can remove this refilled thing. Have any other useful info? I don't think so. While, okay. So our beer just tells us the room, but that's fine. And it will improve our charisma, reduce sleepiness, smelliness. Computer with no monitor. That's not gonna help us. Oh, another screwdriver. Alright, let's check what a screwdriver can do. Set megahertz, set max time and enable API. The name of the API. Yeah, okay. And how do we get the name? The thing is that you can create an array, but it doesn't tell you what the array is. If I say enable API, I need the name of an API, an API, but how do I get an API? Right. Oh, what's that? Sprack manual. Oh, Sprack programming language manual. The dot operator is used to call functions in other objects. Yes, this is like object-oriented programming. These are different, called methods. Yeah, a method is a function called on an object. Normal functions are procedural, whereas a method is part of the behavior of a certain object, and each object of that type may have that method. Even call other methods in other objects. The power that comes with the dot operator is immense. Yes. Here's how you use it. First, connect to another object. Okay. Now we're getting somewhere. Connect home computer. Stored in the variable. Oh, that's how we do it? So we make a variable equal to connect with the name of the other object, and then we use the connection, the method on that object with the dot operator. So O print. Right, this requires access to the internet. Right, so our beer does not have access to the internet. Okay. Funny thing is, if we read it, we end up in hacking mode. Oh, there's plenty of manuals here. Wow. Okay. Well, I wish I had found that yesterday. And there's another Illuminati thing, another Sprack manual. Right, I think it's a good idea to read through these. Another screwdriver? Another Sprack manual? Yep. How many have we got already? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 9. So we're still missing at least 6, 7, and 8. Plenty of screwdrivers. Oh, a button. I'm not gonna push a button if I don't know what it does. Maybe there's some manuals outside as well. So let's check that out. Yep, Sprack manual 7. Means we're still missing at least 6. Wait, 7? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8, 9, and I have 7 in my hand. So put it in the bag. And now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. So we're just missing 6 apparently, unless there are more than 9. And how are you doing today, Maisie? Everything all right? Let's just push the button and see. Okay, we have no idea what that did. Check if the door still leads to the same area. Who knows? Yes, it does. Okay. I'm just fooling around here a bit, but pretty weird that there's just one of the manuals missing in this room. Let's start with 1. That makes sense, right? Chapter 1. Many real-world solutions are both messy and poorly structured. All good. Glad to hear that, Maisie. With many strange details that make them both hard to read and reason about. Without guidance, a page of code might be almost impossible to understand for anyone except its author. Yep, that's true. That is absolutely true. And sometimes even her or him. Yep. Someone who wrote code and gets to see that code again years later, they might not know anymore how that code was written and behaves. That's reality. I've seen it in practice. Still, it is very much worthwhile trying to understand other people's code and pick up little things here and there. Wait, what's that? Why did it minimize? Trying to find patterns, exploring other people's solutions. Yeah, like the trash can. I got that from someone else. Very good trick indeed can be to rewrite someone else's code with your own style and improvements. Definitely. Main method of solving a problem in programming and otherwise is to deconstruct the problem and solve each component individually. That is correct. Take the bigger problem, split it into smaller sub-problems and then solve each of them individually. Lies at the heart of both functional composition chapter 5 and object orientation chapter 9. So this language, programming language in the game, is actually a combination of procedural programming and object-oriented programming. Interesting. By breaking things down into smaller pieces, something big and tangled can become quite small and manageable. How to do this well is something we will touch upon again and again through this text. Right. I have a feeling this is gonna be lengthy. Analyzing the problem at hand. Finally, if nothing works and a solution completely eludes you, take a nap, walk away from your machine, go for a walk and grab a sandwich. Nothing helps problem solving as much as sleep and some fresh air. That's true. Sometimes you go away from your problem, come back later, and what you had been looking for hours, suddenly you have a solution for it. That is absolutely true, all of this. Manual 2. Variables. Yeah, okay, I know variables. This is good for people who have no idea about programming, of course. Unlike myself, because I do know some procedural programming and I do know some object-oriented programming. So I'm just going to skim through the text to see if there's anything worthwhile here, and I'm not gonna read it all aloud. Number string bool. Yeah, okay. Number string bool. The types of variable, exactly. The equal sign. This is actually not an equal. This is not an equation. If you have an equal sign, this is a common mistake. Equal sign in programming usually means an assignment. You actually assign a certain value to a variable. If you want to use equal, such as if a variable is equal to something, then you have to use this sign twice in a row. So if we look here, number string bool is equal to, it doesn't mean it's equal to, it means it becomes equal to. It's an assignment. That's good to understand. It can be reset later. Yeah, you can assign something else. But they have to be declared first before you can use them without their type. So the first one here is actually the combination of a declaration. We declared the variable and its type combined with an assignment. You can just declare without assigning, and here we assign only, but it needs the variable to be declared previously in the code, or otherwise that will not compile. Okay, this works as well. Plus equal. This is good to know. Plus is just incrementing the value by 1. This is incrementing by 2. This means we add 10 and we assign the new value. This is decrease by 1 and decrease by 20. Okay. Well, we already know all this, but it's good to have it for people who don't. And it's good to know what is actually possible within the game, because not every programming language construct will be available in here, of course, and vice versa. And there are, of course, differences in syntax between the different programming languages already. So, math. Okay, we're not gonna do too much math, because I know math. Plus, minus, multiplication, division. Yes. Okay. Regular precedence, yep. And there may be different math operators as functions. Less than, less or equal, greater than equal. This is equal, yeah, the double. And yesterday, I think it was Varanas, I might be mistaken, someone mentioned that this is the sign to say not equal, and I had said something differently, but I should have known this. Okay, so this is all stuff we know. Next, oops. Should have drank more of that beer to reduce our sleepiness. Can we hack the bed? So, manual 4. Read. Functions, okay. Yeah, I know how to call a function. Between brackets you can have parameters. If a function requires 2 parameters, then you need to have 2 parameters to call it, or it won't work. Return values. Yep, I know what return values are. So the result of a function will be assigned to a variable. Random function. Yeah. Okay, this is just an explanation of functions. I know how those work. 5. Yeah, collapsed. Not the first time, by the way, but you don't see your fatigue or anything. There's no health meter, there's no fatigue meter, there's no smelliness meter. If statements. Oh yeah, I had some issues earlier, but I think I've nailed it now. So you have if, you may have, and you have and. But you can also have else, this code will only run if the preposition here after if is false, and the other statement here will only run when it's true, and the end will then always end the if statement. And or, that's good to know. We can use and or to combine booleans. Okay, good. Then we have 6, which apparently we don't have. And then we have 7. Is that the one that we've already read? Loops. Oh no. Loops are used to make a block of code loop run over and over again like this. So the code will continue to loop. Yeah, a loop can be interrupted from inside using the break keyword. Okay, this is important. So loop. Yeah, understood. Can loop through an array. Okay. Okay. So array A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Loop to x in A. Print x and end. Okay. So this will print each item stored in the array. X in A. Okay. Oh, you can also use from to. Alright. Loop x from. So we have loop in and loop in from to. Alright. Loop x in array A or loop x from 0 to 100. Okay, makes sense. Next one, 8. Manipulating texts. Yeah, with a plus command, we can append text. Okay, we had that part already, nothing new here. And then 9, was that the one I read then? Objects and methods, yeah, that's the one I read. So this is an important one. Var O is connect to device name, and then O dot method of that particular object. But the code will still run on the other object. And it does require access to the internet. Right, so we're still missing number 4. String sender, connect to sender. Right, this is like a bit of a server, it seems, or at least this thing has internet access. That seems pretty obvious. Ping sender. Connect to the sender. Yeah, this is something like a tutorial computer, it seems. Okay. Which one was that? This one? I can't reach it? I can't walk there? Come on, it's right next to me. Yeah, that happens a lot as well, that you cannot reach a certain item, even if it's right in front of your nose. Hello, world. Hello, computer. To do, finish this code. Print world. Any more computers here? TV. Oh, there's a guy here. Yeah. Someone's sleeping over here. Right. Well, let's go outside. We've learned a lot. We have all the manuals. Of course, the question is, did we have to take them all with us? Now, I don't see this manual number 6 anywhere, so that's a good question. Where is manual number 6? I honestly wouldn't know. Inspect the trash can. Maybe we already have it? Right, where was the Divochka? There. Oh, this is just outside our hotel. We should have just checked these places first, I guess, instead of wandering all around the city. I think the hacking device was nearby and the manual as well. Right, let's head to our room, drop off these manuals, and then we'll see what we can do next. Yeah, it's getting crowded in here. I wish I had some containers. That would have been so much easier. Right? Plenty of digital trash here, but well, let's at least try to organize stuff a bit. I'll put down this manual. I cannot do it. Oh, it's a diskette. There's hardly any place left to move here. Hi, Mosty. This is really not practical. Tidy the room, yeah, but That's the point. You can't put two objects on top of each other. So sometimes you're standing in an area where you don't have an object and it refuses to put it down, and its movement is already not that fluid sometimes. So all the manuals. I don't know if you saw it, Mosty, but we found a lot of programming manuals, which should help us a lot in the future. And here I can't put it down, even though there's already plenty of stuff there. Yeah, it's annoying. It's very annoying that your bag is limited in size. You can't order things inside your bag. And yeah, we don't need two screwdrivers, so put one down. You can't put two objects on top of each other. There's no containers anywhere. I mean, even the trash cans, they don't store anything. They delete whatever you throw inside, unless you change it. But then you just get the object back in your hands if you remove the delete command. And I so far haven't noticed any object that can actually contain another one. I cannot walk to my bed. I can't reach my bed. Can't walk there. Oh, come on. What? Why can't I open the door? There's nothing in front of the door. Wait, okay, let's move this around. This is what I mean. This is so annoying. Open the door. Come on. Why can't you just open the goddamn door? Okay, screwdriver? Is the screwdriver in the way? Visually, it was definitely not in the way. Okay, first we need to find a place where we can put it down. Flip boxes where you could store all your discs. Oh yeah, from floppy disks back in the day. I see what you mean, Mosty. Oh, come on. There's nothing in front of the door. Why can't I reach it? I have to go outside. No, don't pick it up. I want to put stuff down. Oh, man. Okay, this is definitely annoying. This is definitely annoying. Digital trash. Drop it. Okay, I can't drop it here. Where can I drop it? No, there's nothing where I'm standing. Like here, there's nothing. Yeah, I still can drop it. Here. There. There I can. Oh, he drops it in front of himself? Is that it? Okay. And here there's a cola. There's nothing here. He drops it right in front of himself, apparently. But there's nothing in front of the room. Nothing in front of the door, at least. So why can't I open the door? I also can't aim because I move with my mouse. Okay, that worked. Now open the goddamn door. Can't walk there. Why? Why? Why on earth? this is really bad. It really is. There are some of these things in the game that are really, really badly made. This is just pure frustration. Okay, I'm trying to store too many objects in this space, I guess. But, I mean, I'm inside, I need to get outside, and I can't. And now I can. So it was effectively one of the manuals that was in the way. Insane. Wait, a manual. Let's just check if the trash can... No, we don't want it to delete if it's not a floppy or key. Else. Say. Print. Say. Say. Yeah. Oh, now it does. Say trash type. Right. Compile. Okay, that works. So now we take the manual. We throw it in the trash can. Okay. So that was considered a floppy or key. And so the code sent it to our room. Which means we may have another issue getting inside the room. I hope not, but... Oh yeah, I should lock my door. Something I usually forget. Lock. There you go. Now I did have another key. Oh, I should take that key with me. So maybe I can find a better room to actually put my stuff rather than this room of the Divochka. And here is our Sprek manual that we threw into the trash can. Can't walk there. Oh my god. Oh man, this is so irritating. Okay, now the digital trash, drop it again. And open the door. So it really is if something is in front of the door that you cannot open it. And I'm coming out from this side. Again. Key room 1. Lock the door. And it's locked. Okay. Let me see if I can find this renting apartment 1 again. And see if that area is actually interesting. Because if I have the key, I could use that as a second room where I can store my stuff. I think it was somewhere in one of these 2 doors. Yeah, here, this one. No? Let's check. Renting apartments key. Lock this door. Locked. Yes. So the key fits the lock. But I believe there was a door on the other side, so we have to make sure that it can actually open both doors. Or lock both, more importantly, lock both doors. So lock this door. Key not working. Okay, that was what I was afraid of. So we only have a key that opens... It's only this door? Yeah, so that's not really useful. Right. We still don't really have a real plan, but we also don't have a real objective. The only thing thus far is that there's stuff going on, and we want to meet Trixie or Prixie or whatever she was called. Although she already has a friend. Map, screwdriver. Well, let's look at his computer. Floppy data reader. Please insert floppy. Okay, let's hack this thing. Okay, data on floppy. Okay, floppy reader is good, but suggestions. So from what I get it, this is not necessarily the entire list of commands here. It's just suggestions. I am interested to know how I can find out the name of this device. If I want to connect to this from internet, I need to know the name of the device. So how can I find that name? Once we have that, then we can practically connect any internet device with another one and do commands from a distance. So then we could have like one computer somewhere where I can easily access it and make connections to all the computers in the city. Or any device connected to the internet at least. But I don't see how I can obtain the name of this device. Unless it is just floppy data reader, but there's more than one floppy data reader in the game. So it can't be that. There must be something like apartment 1, floppy reader 2 or something like that. Must be. Let's just check the suggestions if there's any command that might prove useful. HD, what's that? Connect to an external hard drive. Oh. Get memories. Oh yeah, so get memories. Then it will print them. Okay, so that was the memories here. Yeah, that's an empty array at the moment. So it will print memories and then empty array. Then it will print the data on the floppy to a variable all data, which will load the data, and then it will loop. Yeah, we'll loop through the data and print it. That's fine, else it will say please insert floppy. Okay, we can understand that. What I still don't understand is how to get the device name. Display a prompt and receive text input from the keyboard. Yeah, okay. Line. Draw a line. Yeah, we can draw lines. Sleep. Oh yeah, this is a sleep is a pause button. Height and width and quit. I don't see any command related to the name of this particular device. Info. Oh, get info about the system. Right, that could help us. So, info. That compiles. There we go. Desolate house lobby, tripod computer 1. We've used this info command before, haven't we? Has internet modem, a floppy drive, and a memory unit. Okay, so this is an interesting device. This is actually a very interesting device. Where does this door lead to? Okay, then we end up here. Can we lock this door with the renting apartments key? Key not working. Damn it, so I only have key for one side of the entrance, but not the other one. So it's not safe. It's not a safe area. And then here we should come back to the Devochka. Yeah, this is where we entered this door. And then we have the other. Those two entrances are connected. And what was this one? Just trying to set up kind of a base of operations. Oh, this is the same? Is it not the same? It looks the same. Wait a second, is this... It's the same. Yes, it is the same. Are those two doors leading into the same area? Is that just... Must be. Are there two doors here? Am I just... Yeah, okay, there's just two doors. Oh my god, I'm so silly. I really am silly. But we knew that, right? Okay, let's check the upper apartments here, just to make sure that we really know at least this area of the map in detail. Oh yeah, that's this apartment where we used to be previously when we launched the stream. And I think it was here that I found the key. And I also think it was in one of these apartments that I found the hacking device. Water in sink. Is this the hacked sink? Yes, it is the hacked sink because it doesn't reset our beer. So we can fill our beer. Without resetting its code. Yeah, but someone lives there, Mosty. Someone lives there. And still, there's a lot more... No, the item is called beer. It used to be a beer, but now it's an empty container. There is no actual beer. What you do when I go to the sink, I supposedly fill the beer with water. But the item is still called beer, and the code just increases the liquid amount on the beer object. It doesn't say which liquid it is. There is no liquid type. It's just liquid. I'm not sure. I think it was 10 or 15 items, Maisie. 2, 4, 6, 8, no more. 15 or 20 items, but we've already found so much more stuff that I couldn't pick up because my bag was full. So there's this just generic liquid, and if we look at the code of this beer, normally it says drink and the liquid amount goes down, but I've added code here to reduce smelliness, sleepiness, drunkenness, and to add some charisma, and to also tell me which room I'm in. So if I drink from the beer, it says I'm in renting apartments lobby. And I have now, well, that's 65%. That's so unreliable. How cruel that there's no real beer. Um, the only thing is that regular sinks, if you refill your drink on a sink, like I do here, use beer on sink. Regular sinks, they have a code that actually restores the original code of the drink, saying refilled by water tap number 15 or whatever. So I actually hacked into this water tap to remove that code so it doesn't change my code of my beer here. So it's a renewable beer as long as I remember to only refill it on a tap where the code has been modified to prevent loss of my code. And I also have a few trash cans, not with the beer, put into bag. So I have a few trash cans programmed. If the trash type is floppy or key, then the item will be moved to my room, hotel room 1. Else it will be deleted. No, it shouldn't be deleted. It shouldn't be deleted. Else, say trash type. There we go. Renewable beer. Well, it's not. It's renewable liquid. Unfortunately. But it's called beer, so you can pretend that it's actual beer. Okay, so this is the other apartment. Nice place, actually. Okay, floppy data reader. Good. Hack it. Okay, and I want you to also tell me the info. And well, you're learning programming, guys. Gonna turn down the volume a bit. I just realized my volume was a bit high. Nobody mentioned anything. Didn't you have issues with the volume on the stream, guys? Get connections and no, print. Yeah, print. Connections. Plus com. File. Success. Amanda apartment medium computer. Okay, that's good to know, and welcome Blobka as well, I see. Amanda apartment has internet modem and floppy drive. So this thing doesn't have a memory unit. The one in the other area where I went previously, there was also a memory unit, which could be useful, I guess. And for some reason we're still missing a manual number 6. Well, I'm not a professional programmer. I have studied some programming languages before, so I do know at least the basics, or even more than the basics, but I'm not an experienced programmer. But yeah, I can imagine if you've never programmed anything before, that it's a bit confusing. Babak Day. Thank you, Blobka. No, it's technically still today. The previous stream was actually today. This is my second stream today, guys. Although the previous one started yesterday. I'm tired again. Okay, I should get some rest. Where was the nearest bed? Well, let's go for that apartment. You just get tired faster, it seems. Sleep in a bed. Can we not hack an object to reduce sleepiness? That would prevent the need to always go there. What gifts did I get? Pancakes, because it's Pancake Day. For the rest, not much. Not really. Oh, is that Amanda? No, it's not Amanda's apartment. Oh, it's get. Did she turn out the light? Can't talk to a sleeping person. So no, not really much in terms of gifts. Yeah, it's a Catholic, how do you call that? Catholic holiday? Well, it's not an official holiday. Oh, it's dark in here as well. Did someone turn out the lights? It's like an official day in Catholic history. I don't have no idea what the name is. Yeah, the day-night cycle, and it's very realistic. Time just moves on at the same pace, and people continue to wander around and do their own business. You see the NPCs go to sleep as well when they're tired. So in that sense, it's very realistic. Right, what was my issue? Oh yeah, one area where we can actually close the... I want a better place where I can store my stuff, where I have access to some good computers with internet, floppy disk reader, etc. Some memory, good enough place for storage, and where I can actually seal the place. That would be great. So let's head off in this direction. To the plaza. Also because it's week, there's obviously not much in terms of presents. When I will see my parents this weekend, I guess there will be something. Oh yeah, here, of course, the shoe store. That's where Pixie worked, or Trixie, or whatever she was called. I forgot the name of the most important character. Good for me. Oh yeah, the door's locked because it's nighttime. Yes, that makes sense. Vending machine, yeah. So it's traditionally Pancake Day, but Most people have forgotten that. It's no longer a tradition for many people in Belgium, but there are still people who celebrate that. And since it's my birthday, of course, I know it's Pancake Day. For me, it is Pancake Day. I do not accept a birthday without pancakes. The Computer Ministry. Casino. I think that's an area where we haven't really went to, the casino. Maybe just once. Burrows. Well, let's just check. Maybe there is something useful here. Vending machine. Radio. Oh, there's a door, but there's also stairs. So let's go upstairs. Oh. They're all apartments? Is he sleeping on a couch? Ooh, that sound. I don't like that sound. Oh, he has this machine in his room. Is that the machine that's making the sound? I guess so. I don't need cigarettes. Although maybe I do need a cigarette. What? Let's just check what a cigarette can do again. Groundhog Day. Babak. Okay. Tin ones, not thick. I don't know about thick pancakes. We always make tin ones. Let's just... Where's the cigarette? Okay, here. Hack the cigarette. Fast forward. Even cigarettes do that? Okay, sleep. Pause. Alright, that's a sleep function, not to sleep. Quick boost. Get a quick energy boost. Yeah, that's good. Okay, quick energy boost. And what does fast forward do? Time appear to go faster. Well, maybe that is true if you smoke cigarettes. I'm not sure. Because I've never not smoked cigarettes, so I can't compare. Can we hack the map? No, I already tried that. We cannot hack the map. Well, okay. Nothing useful here. That's clear. So we came in through this door. Okay, let's check that one. Let's check them all. Oh, we're outside now. Digital trash. So much digital trash. And I think I have duplicates. I might just as well get rid of the duplicates. Because there's no point having duplicates, right? Until they're not really duplicates. Unless they're not really duplicates and just share the same name. That is a valid concern, of course. I already had a cola and a Coke and they were not the same thing as either. Okay, where did I end up now? The end of the burrows. Digital trash. More digital trash. Let's just trash the digital trash, I guess. I don't know what's valuable anyway. So I probably just keep the stuff that I know is of particular use. And just drop everything else wherever I have room. Maybe just outside. Wow, this place really is desolate. Okay, let's get back. It looked that there wouldn't be anything useful here, and there actually isn't anything useful. So it was not just an idea. It was reality. Right, so that was up the stairs. But where did we come in? Like through here? Or through there? But those two are just going to head outside, right? Both entrances to the building. Yeah, and the other one's just gonna head to the other side of the building. This was 4 and 3. But of course, we also have 1 and 2. So let's check the other burrows building. We might try to do things more structured to remember where we've been and what we've checked, because I was just wandering around at first. And after a while I just almost got clueless. Okay, so this has the opposite layout. Wow, this is a nice apartment for the burrows. But I think I've already been here. Or I might not. Some apartments do look similar. Beer, cigarettes, some good music. Right. But no computers. Oh, a trash can and a computer. Shoot space triangles. Enemy got away. I can't aim. Can't I aim? I can't aim. What's the point if you can't aim? Can I just hit spacebar to shoot and that's it? Oh, zoom in and out? Well, anyway, just hack this thing. Array stars, array enemy. Laser. Create stars, create enemy, play game. Now I tried arrow keys and I tried QASD. Neither of them seem to move, though I'm not sure if the zoom in, zoom out keys were actually zooming in or out, and out or not. Explosion, laser. Rotating, steer. This is some impressive code. Enemy AI? Wow. This is some interesting code actually. This is a real game code here. It's good to learn coding, but it's not really useful for us to do anything specific. Exit? There's no exit. Well, it's a cool apartment, but it doesn't have anything useful to offer. It just looks cool. And have I met this person before? Why are they always sleeping when I come? Okay, so what else? Open this one. And then we'll probably have another balcony. What's that sound? It's like the sound of someone... Oh, there's a television? Okay. I thought it was the sound of someone snoring. And I didn't see anyone, but... This looks like a safe, and I've seen it in several rooms, but I cannot actually interact with that. Coffee. Well, let's check the code of coffee. Maybe there is something specific in there. Sleepiness. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh yeah, there is the sleepiness function. Right. Well, I don't need it because I already have... I only need one drink. Because I can refill it anyway. What I might do is... I probably should update this and make this more impressive. Charisma 30. Smelliness -50. Sleepiness -50. And drunkenness -50. Right. And then... drink. Burroughs apartment room 1. Okay. Now let's hack the sink first. Before we refill our beer. Where was the sink? Oh, this is only a stove? I thought there was a sink here. Oh yeah, sink, right. So you see the code of the sink normally resets the liquid amount, but then also clears the code, and I don't want it to do that. So we're just going to update the code of the sink to just set the liquid amount and not reset our code. And now we can take our beer and fill the beer from the sink. There you go, you can drink again. And we can refill our beer again. There we go. Excellent, isn't it? Right. But for the rest, nothing really useful here. Bit keys. Game over. Why are you coming, folks, home? Pervert. Ex-pervert. -127? Why? -100. Mystical cube. Interesting. Push button? Now let's hack it first. Set color random, random, random. Play sound bird. Oh, cool. What else can we do with this cube? Increase mystery level? Increase mystery level by a certain amount. Increase mystery level by 50. What's 50? That's the thing, you have no idea what these values actually represent. Right? Well, it's good to increase mystery level, but what does the mystery actually do? I have no idea. Imaginary beer. What it reduces, I can hack the beer mostly to be reduce or to increase sleepiness, to reduce thirst, I guess. No, there's no thirst in the game. I can make it increase drunkenness, so I can make a beer that will make you instantly drunk. But it would still never taste like beer because it's just liquid. Unfortunately. So we were heading towards the casino, right? Oh, that's this area? I think I've been here before, right? Between all the crates? What does this have to do with the casino? There was no casino. Oh no, okay, there is a casino. Right, but we can't enter, right? Wasn't that the point? The door is locked. Maybe it's too early. Hack the door? Yeah, not with the current device. That makes sense. Okay, so nothing really to do here. Yeah. Come on, move. Belgian beer as opposed to British beer. Well, as you can guess, I love Belgian beer. And oh no, I can't move through here. What's this thing? Can't I hack this device? Nope. And I can't move through here. I have to go all the way around. But here's a computer. Interesting. What? This is just an animation, I think. Hack it. Animated stick figure. So these are all good examples of coding. What I'm missing at the moment is a bit of story and purpose, rather than just wandering around and hacking stuff. Stella. Well, I wasn't exactly thinking about Stella, Maisie, when I was talking about Belgian beer. I totally wasn't thinking about Stella. So was it any good, the cigarette? This is the girl I gave the cigarette butt. Do you know someone named Pixie? Maybe? I'm trying to find her, I have to see her again. Yes, I said Belgian beer, but I didn't mean that Belgian beer. Look, you should leave, please. Man. Okay, bye. They're not really helpful, aren't they? Maybe if I drink more of that beer, my charisma will be so high that she will help me. Right, this was the door where Trixie went inside. Or Pixie. Man, I keep forgetting. Oh yeah, we can now hack this fuse box. This one's not working probably. Please don't slurp into it until I've investigated more. Right, let's remove this slurp. Wait, it's still doing this? It's not the slurp that's causing this? Broken fuse box. Available connections. I still don't get what I'm... Oh, I can zoom out. Okay. And I can rotate. Are these all the fuse boxes? Whoa, what happened? Did you see the... Oh. Did I just quit? Okay, I still don't get it. I'll research it, yeah. Exactly, Maisie. Stella is not exactly the beer I was thinking about, but it is a Belgian beer. You are right about that. Shoe store storage. Oh, storage. Wait a second. On intruder end, on hack, string name. Yeah, this is like in the basement of our hotel, we had something similar. Slurp, what does it do? Use with caution, it doesn't give an explanation. I'm still curious what the slurp command does. Lock. Lock a door, yeah, but we don't have a way to retrieve the name of a door. Because otherwise we could use lock and unlock from these computers. Find path. Oh wait, this is the... These are the functions that are also available on the pedestrian OS. Move person to the position of another thing. Wow. Interesting. Zap person, yeah, that puts them asleep. Restore code. Restore code to default state? Oh, it needs an argument? Poor Blobka. Well, I hope you have foreign beer then. In Ukraine. Broadcasts. Use with caution? Okay. Well, let's just get out of here. This is a humidity thing, yep. We've got all those all over the place. But if this is the storage, why doesn't it have storage space? Game over, the tower. Oh yeah, that was this one. This is the one with the entire story. Oh, page up and page down work as well. That's good to know. This really feels like an old basic editor. Right, and then we went in here. Okay, we have a person here. Talk to him. Who are you? Call me Seb. What is this place? A warehouse. Yeah, right. So, what's your job? I watch the shoes. Sounds like an even more boring job than mine. think her name's Pixie. Yeah, and I have to see her. Could be a matter of life or death. My life or death. Yep. What does that have to do with anything? Not allowed to let anyone past here. Okay. We are advancing the story, I think. Okay, Pixie's coming. So there she is. Sorry. Stop being creepy. I promise. Okay, I might be able to join them, that's what I'm hoping or think that should happen. I have a few tricks up my sleeve. What are you doing down here? Oh, come on, just tell me. Unlocked. You don't say. So what does she really do? Yeah, so they're against the Ministry. These are the hackers. Ministry. Okay, so these buildings that make noise, they're from the Ministry. Somehow, intuitively, you could already suspect that. That it was like the hackers against the Ministry. Big and black, yeah. So you're down here hiding from the Ministry. But you've got this super secret club down here in the basement. Alright, cool. Sorry. Yeah, of course I've been there. What time did they say? I missed it again. Yeah, I can't open the door. I can't hack the door. Can I open this door? Oh yes, I can. Right, more computers. Oh, target door? Good targets. Factory corridor, door to office. Town hall, door to Longzon office. I wish I could find a way to actually find door names. Right, I'm going to be somewhat smart and copy this code. No, not cut. Undo. Alright. Copy. Okay, that worked. I might as well copy the entire thing, because obviously this computer is used to open doors. Copy. And where shall I put the code? Let's just put it inside our screwdriver, right? And then turn this into comments. I wish there was a start comment and end comment character, so you don't have to do it for every single line. Night, Mosty! Catch you around sooner or later. No. Undo. No? Huh? What? Why does it do that? Huh? Acting weird again? Do I have to do that the same here? Then it does this? What? Okay, I'm confused. If I put it here, and then it works. Okay. Oh, I still have print and return here. I wish there was an easier way to do this. So this will compile because it's all text now. Boil 3 eggs. So we've copied this code into our screwdriver, and maybe that's a good thing to actually store our useful information into. So must make sure we don't lose the screwdriver. Here we don't have any valuable info. I'm not gonna make it a long stream, guys. Is he getting tired? Hack this computer. On intruder. Warning ministry person. Julian Logger. So we could just put something in here. Julian Logger, log intruder. Hey, it's me, Seb. I'm not a ministry person. Pile. Practical joke. I just wish there was a way to find out the door name. Just says the door is blocked. Can I somehow... Apartments key. Hack. Can I somehow let the key let me know what the door name is? What's the difference between toggle and unlock? Oh yeah, that's depending on whether the door is locked or not. I don't see anything to get the name of the door, unfortunately. That's really my biggest issue here. The doors? I can find out room names and people names and stuff like that, but doors? Nope. I can't. Too tired to run. Also wondering what the fuse boxes are about. Hack this computer? Yeah, not with the current device. Of course not with the current device. Oh, not even with our hacking device. Wait a minute. Sebastian? Register sales. 500. Oh, okay. Need a password to register a sale. Right. I think I'm gonna be wrapping up the stream, guys. It's been a lot of fun. What? Oh, that's a guy from the hotel? They make the rules what we're allowed to do. Inventions. Wanna know how to get better at using it. Wow, that would be super cool of you. Someplace quiet. So yeah, I'm almost going to wrap up the stream. Just let's check what this person can teach us, but... Oh, I'm too tired to run. I might fall asleep here at one point. Do we have beer? Beer. Drink. Hotel exterior. That should reduce our sleepiness. Was that the guy? That's where I found the manuals, right? Right. That's the guy from the hotel who actually offered to help us. Yeah. Have you tried your modifier? Yeah. I've hooked it up to a few different things. Do you understand any of the code? Yeah, it wasn't particularly difficult to follow. I'm gonna be honest. Okay, I just collapsed. Guess that beer didn't help as much to reduce sleepiness. Maybe I should have said something different. Please go ahead with what you had in mind. Do all objects have code inside them? Okay. Okay, this is a thing with broken code. Make it glow. Oh, this is another mystical cube. Control Enter. That's the shortcut. Okay. Yeah, okay, can I get on? Try it now. Hack the mystical cube. Remove all texts. Control Enter. Escape. Bravo. So why was there an error before? Okay, I get it. Moving on. Okay, so how do I do that? This is one like the other one I had. I already know how to make it glow. Okay. Okay. I think these tutorials are not gonna learn me anything new. So I just say set color 50, 50, 50. Nice. That was pretty easy. Alright, I want to do something really cool. Three variables to be exact. Yeah, okay, I know that. Did you see it? I already know that. That's why I didn't. Okay. Oh, it's between 0 and 1? Didn't you just ask me to change colors? So Now I have 2 mystical cubes? No? Oh yeah, one in a bag and one like this. What did he want me to try? I thought he had asked me to change colors, but I did that already. Oh, a random one, yeah. What's the largest number you can give a color? 1! And I was entering 50? So, I'm gonna be heading off, guys. Who's the best programmer in town? Well, I'm supposed to know with all these programs still, I don't really get it. Where should I go from here? Where should I go from here to improve my skills? Keep it clandestine. Mind for some. If the cops find you picking stuff downtown, okay. What kind of stuff? So who's the best programmer in town? How should I know? It's not me. Thank you, Yojik. Unfortunately, I was just going to wrap up the stream. You have Pancake Holiday as well, Blobka? I don't know much. The crazy chicken get up the PC. Well, I am married. Is there anyone else who can teach me about programming? I don't know. Okay, you don't know much, will? Fib. Gardener? Yeah, I gotta go as well. Thanks for all the help. This friendly guy. Oh, what does he get for me? Book of Programming. Oh, there's a 0. Yeah, I already had the other ones. I play the worst games? I love this game. And here is Sprack Manual 6, the one I was looking for earlier. Let's check what it has. Arrays! Oh, this is about arrays. Good. All I know about arrays. And what was 0? He gave a 0. Yeah, this one. Some kind of dysfunctional disease. Yeah, this is the overview. It's called Sprack. Sprack. I think this is another Swedish joke. Right, is there any garbage bin to transfer all this stuff to my room? Yeah, trash can. No, not this. Hackdef. So move to hotel room 1. Else say trash type. pile. Exit. The Sprak manual. Throw it in the trash can. Oh. Oops, I must have made a mistake. Oh yeah, it's not... there's no underscore, I think. Let's try that again. Throw the Sprak manual in the trash can. Okay, and that's now in our room in the hotel. The Sprak manual 6. Throw it in the trash can. It goes to the room in our hotel. Digital trash, same thing. More digital trash. But I do need more storage. Quickly. More digital trash. What if there's no more place in my room? Where will all this stuff end up? I have 2 mystical cubes. Okay, that's... No, not hack the trash can? Can I put the mystical cube in the trash can? Oh no, I can. The music token, okay. Right. Sick from playing these games? Come on, Yojik, this is a great game. This is an excellent game. I like it. It has some flaws, most certainly, but I like it. I like hacking games in general. Games around programming and logic. Of course, it's not all I like. There are other games as well. Right, I'm gonna end the stream, guys. Thanks for watching. And I'll probably be back tomorrow or Saturday. I have to check my agenda. Probably with some more Crusader Kings 2. Oh no, I'm not trying to convince myself. Totally not. I totally enjoy this game. So probably more Crusader Kings 2 on Friday or Saturday. I haven't made up my mind about that yet. But I'm sure I'll let you know. Have a good night, folks, and see you around. Thanks for watching.